Okay. Start. AngleCamera. Calibrate compass. Adjust compass. How to adjust compass? Now, okay. Compass direction is this angle. Okay. Now direction is about 129. Okay. Usually move. And compass. This is a compass. North, south, and this angle is 136, 34 or 35. 134, 35. Okay. Okay. Now 100. No good. 138, 37, 36. About just, but little different. And use Google Map, Calibrate compass. This one on website. 8 shake. Try. I try. Google Maps, and touch here, this position, this location, blue icon, touch, and calibrate compass, touch, and shake. Now medium, low, medium, high. Now medium compass. Okay, try. Try. Me, not slow. Me, quick, fast. Okay. Touch compass. Okay, good. High. Compass is high. Sorry, my English is no good. Sorry. And AngleCamera. Oh, good. 134. Just fit. Good. So please. Good. Oh. Next. If calibrate, use hand, this one, okay? Angle is Okay. Listen.
Adjusting the horizontal tilt.
Yes. Adjust the horizon tilt. This angle. Okay? Angle. Is angle. Direction is angle. Angle is
Adjusting the horizontal tilt.
okay. Hand touch. Okay. で、
Level.
level 2 level machine. No, 2. Okay. Now is about good. Okay. About good. And this one landscape. Oh, no good. Just about just
0.4.
0.4 only. 0.4 only. Okay. But if you want 0.4 not, but +1 or +2, okay? This one 2.6, maybe 2.4 or 6. Hand change, calibrate direction compass, manual, okay. This is manual. It's finished, but one more. This picture in my Windows application. Okay. Oh, hey, good. Hey, boy. Okay. Okay. Start. Now take picture. My son. Now take picture into my PC, personal computer. Okay. Cable connect. Hello. And Android disk storage. No, not Android. DCIM. AngleCamera. Oh, picture. Okay. Copy and paste. Okay. And start my program. Start my application. My application name is Picture to Map. Okay, big screen. And select image folder. Okay. Push button and desktop. And now copied AngleCamera select and Okay? Okay. Many picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But last I now take is this picture. This picture. Okay? And numbering. Numbering to map. Numbering to one, not map. Or numbering is this button, yellow button. Numbering. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 yellow, 2 yellow, color yellow, 3 2 is Japanese sakura, not Japanese, world sakura in the world, and 3 4 5 3 2 5 is same location but different angle. Separate. Okay. And change calibrate angle. Calibrate angle. And change it. Calibrate angle and change it. Oh, okay. This function. And 6 is this picture, and angle is this, and position is this, and angle. Good. Good position and good angle. Okay. Finish. Too long. Sorry, too long. My talk. Thank you very much. My son, thank you. Video to me and me. Bye bye. Thank you. Stop, please.